Hi sir, I am Ungail Bhatt Murli. I am coming from Andhra Pradesh. My father name is V. Munratnam. He is working for the government sector as electronic employee. My mother name is V. Maithili. She is housewife. I have two sisters. One of her is doctor, another is housewife. Coming to my education background, I completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering in JNT Anandapur in 2012. Coming to my NDT certifications, I have level 2 in PCN 3.1, 3.2 and phased array ultrasonic testing I have, and recently completed my time of flight diffraction. I have 2 years of NDT experience. From the past 6 months I have been working in Sivat, Qatar, and there I have attended phase 1 shutdown of QP, and I have been working there for QCon and CAFCO. For the conventional ultrasonic testing, I used Modsonic and USM35. For phased array ultrasonic testing and time of flight diffraction, I used OmniScan. I have good knowledge on piping regarding isometric seeing. I have good knowledge in doing reporting work like ultrasonic thickness gauging, corrosion, and flaw detection. Apart from that, I have some knowledge on reporting the advanced methods also. In QP shutdown, I have assisted my seniors there for IRIS, the advanced project for internal rotated tube inspection system. My hobbies are playing cricket and watching TV. Thank you, sir.